स्वागत है सर गाइज आप सभी का एडवांस डिग्री में। आज हम आपको एमएससी जूलॉजी फर्स्ट ईयर का सेकंड सेमेस्टर का पेपर थर्ड का टॉपिक पढ़ाने वाले हैं, जो कि डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है। और ये थर्ड यूनिट का फर्स्ट ही टॉपिक है, थर्ड पेपर का फर्स्ट यूनिट का फर्स्ट टॉपिक है। तो देखिए डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम क्या है। सबसे पहले देखेंगे डाइजेस्टिव क्या होता है, डाइजेशन क्या होता है। डाइजेशन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग द फूड वेल we eat into nutrients which the body uses for energy, growth, and cell repair, or converting complex food into simple nutrients that can be absorbed in bloodstream. Organs of digestive system: first is a alimentary canal, second is a accessory organs. फर्स्ट चीज़ है जो एलिमेंट्री कैनाल है, इसके कुछ पार्ट है जैसे कि माउथ, फाइनेक्स, ओसोफेगस, स्टोमच, स्मॉल इंस्टेटाइन्स, लार्ज इंस्टेटाइन, रेटिकुलम और एनस। एसेसरी ऑर्गन इज पार्ट लीवर, गॉल ब्लैडर, पेनक्रियास, सैलिवरी ग्लैंड, टंग्स और टीथ। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज माउथ, आल्सो कैलिड ओरल कैविटी और बकल कैविटी। मेन फंक्शन इज द integration of food drinks consist of some accessory organ of digestive. First is teeth, second is tongues, third is salivary gland. Teeth break down integrate food into smaller pieces that can be. There are the total 22 teeth in mouth: incisor, carrier, premolar, molar. Tongue help is the moving the food, mixing the food with salivary continuous taste receptors. Sweet salivary gland secretes salivary water liquid which converting digestive enzyme, mainly salivary, help the carbohydrates. There are the three pair of salivary gland: pharynx, thyroid, also called thyroid plant, plays the roles of pathway for the food from mouth to the next junctions. Esophagus divided into three parts: nasophagus, oropharynx or laryngoesophagus, also called full piping. It is the hollow tube like structure that carries food from the pharynx to stomach. It is the about 25 centimeter long stomach. It is the J-shaped bag-like structure with walls made of thick elastic muscles. Stomach wall secretes gastric juice. HCl kills microorganisms and activates pepsins. Mucus gastric enzyme. Stomach serves for major functions: strong of food particle digestion, mechanical regulation of enzymes. Small intestine final digestion of food completes here. Absorption of the nutrients also take place here with the help of villi present in walls of small intestines. It is the about 9 m long pipe like structure arranged in oil form, divided into three parts. First is liver, gallbladder, pancreas. First is liver, large gland of the body, weight approx 1 into 5 kg. Produce bile, yellow digestive juice, which help in digestion of fats. Gallbladder, small pieces shaped organ located bile secreted by liver in the temporary, strong in gallbladder, and when required in enters the lumen of small intestine. Pancreas secrete pancreas juices, pancreatic amylase digestion, carbohydrate, trypsin digestive proteins, lipase digestive fats. These pancreas juice enter dumens for further digestion of changes. Large intestine, also called colon, about into 1 into 5 meter long, divide into four part: ascending colon, transverse colon, sigmoid colon, or descending colon. There is no digestive hair. Main function absorption of water. Rectum. It is the temporary wastage strong where faces. Stool pop is stolen before elimination from body. Anus, last organ of digestive system, thought which the feces stool pop exist the body.